In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the auto lock grayed out on an iPhone. When this happens, it can be frustrating as it prevents you from adjusting the screen lock timer on your device. But don't worry, there is a simple solution to this problem that you can easily implement. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Display and Brightness. Scroll down again, and you'll see the auto lock option. If you find that the auto lock setting is grayed out and unchangeable, it is due to the low power mode being enabled on your device. Low power mode is a feature designed to conserve battery life by reducing certain functions, and one of the consequences is that it can prevent you from adjusting the screen lock time. To fix the problem, simply disable low power mode. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center. Then tap on the low power mode option to turn it off. If you can't find the low power mode option in your control center, tap on the plus button at the top left corner. Then tap Add a control. And then tap on the search bar at the top and type in low power mode. Select it from the search results, and it will be added to the control center. Once low power mode is turned off, you should be able to access and adjust the auto lock setting as usual. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.